Today we're making rice paper recipes.
It's on your top.
Oh no, my ruffles!
They're straight up bananas.
Wrapping around my finger. Don't forget to thumb this video. This croissant recipe has been going viral. Hello from your kitchen queens of chaos.
We back.
I feel so fancy today, like, woo!
Because of your ruffly jellyfish top.
Yeah, it's my ruffles. I've been dying to try this croissant recipe. I actually wonder if it will taste like a croissant. Let's see. Let's make our wet mixture. In goes 2 eggs. 1/4 cup of milk, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, a dash of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, and then 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Give that a good mix. Then I'm going to transfer this mixture onto a plate.
It looks like an omelet.
It's an uncooked omelet, basically. For each croissant, you're going to need 3 layers of rice paper. So we're going to dip this into our mixture. Ooh.
Ah! I heard a crack.
I know. How long is this supposed to take to soften? I think I'm just gonna leave it for a little bit, let it soften up, and then, like Nara Smith would say, get to know each other. Next, I'm gonna cut the rice paper into 3 pieces. And then carefully assemble it like how she did. Ooh. It is so gooey and squishy. And then use my rolling skills to somehow transform this mess into a croissant looking shape.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
That does not look croissant-y at all.
It just looks like a roll. Guys, it's a lot easier when it's not super soft. Better. This is probably the best one I've done.
This is. It's on your top.
Oh no, my ruffles!
Oh no!
I mean, it's all part of cooking, right?
They look so bad on camera.
Next, I'm gonna sprinkle a light layer of sugar on top. This is gonna go in the oven at 175 degrees for
30 to 35 minutes.
or until golden brown, puffy. Golden brown puffy.
Golden and puffy.
Or until golden and puffy. Yeah, you know, we need 2 brains to actually say that. Is it me or do they look like bananas?
They're straight up bananas.
We made bananas. So our croissants are ready and they look very much like a banana.
Banana core.
Banana core. This one looks almost like a chicken.
A spring roll?
It's a spring roll merged with a banana.
They're croissants.
I'll call this a boomerang.
It is a boomerang.
If you throw it, it definitely won't come back.
Is it focused?
Yeah. Use your nails.
Kinda?
It's kind of got layers. Just.
Ow, it's so hot. There's kind of layers. Wait, smell it. It smells good. Smell it.
I try to taste it.
It smells good, but if I was a French and you called this a croissant, I'd be so offended.
Would you? Yeah, okay. We don't want to offend anyone. Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, Lila tried
went-
it.
she went for it.
for it.
Have another bite.
The texture is kind of okay. Wow.
How about dessert?
I don't know how I feel about this.
Glutinous.
It's very eggy,
It's
right?
very eggy. It's very eggy. Does not taste like a croissant, but if it was like its own dish, I think it is okay. But I think if you're picturing a croissant, you're going to be disappointed with this recipe.
Yes.
It kind of has the layers. It's a bit chewy. Want more?
Lila kind of likes it.
It's a sweet, eggy, buttery pastry. Not quite a croissant. I'm gonna give this a half thumb.
Same.
I think Lila's giving it a 2.
Oh, Lila really likes it, guys. Maybe kids will love it. It just misses the mark when you're comparing it to a croissant. Croissants are way better, they're fluffier, and it's just completely different, right? But if you are craving just a snack that you just want to make and it like an eggy sort of ready pastry, try it out. Just don't picture a croissant.
Even if it's not a croissant, I won't eat it.
You wouldn't
honestly,
eat it again,
like
right?
it's just
Waste of calories.
yeah.
Not that great. If you're lazy like me, I think you'll like this noodle dish.
All you need is 1 ingredient and 2 minutes to make these delicious, chewy, gluten-free noodles. You need around 5 pieces of rice paper. Stack them together. Soak them in some warm water. Press it in all at once. Try to push out as much air bubbles as you can. Transfer the rice paper into a microwavable bowl. Add in a little bit more water. And microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. In the meantime, prepare your favorite sauce. And we're gonna slice the noodle into your desired thickness, like this. Look at that.
Let's make some chewy noodles. For this, Tiff uses 5 layers of rice paper. Look at me calling her Tiff like we're actually friends and stuff, but you know.
She's featured a lot in our videos,
I
so.
hope she watches our videos.
Oh my god.
Fangirl. So we're gonna soak this in water and push out any air bubbles. Then it's going in the microwave. Let's microwave this for 90 seconds. Okay, oh. I'm gonna transfer my rice paper onto a cutting board. Okay, noodle-esque shape.
Noodle-esque.
Check out these noodles. Let's quickly whip up our sauce. In a bowl, I'm adding about 1.5 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Gotta have some chili crisps, lau gan ma, a lot of garlic powder, and a little bit of vinegar. Mix that up. Now let's add in our noodles.
Ew. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh.
Sticking to my hand. Then I'm gonna add in some cucumber and some spring onions and coriander. Oh my gosh, that looks so good.
It actually does. Oof. I need to.
Just take your noodle.
Don't take my nudes.
Don't take notes.
Kids, don't take nudes. Cheers.
Mmm.
That is a banger.
Oh my god, that's so freaking good.
Yes.
It's chewy, and obviously what makes and breaks the dish is your sauce, but just critiquing the noodle texture, honestly, it just tastes like one layer because it's all joined together and it's soft yet chewy. It's a bit bouncy as well, and it just absorbs all that sauce so well.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh my god, I love that texture.
Wow, this is like restaurant quality. I would order this at a restaurant.
Bro, that's so good.
That is so good. I think if anything, I would cut them a little bit thinner.
I like it thick.
You like it
I
thick?
like that thing too.
I like it thick.
Maybe I'm just not like super thick. What do I have? I just have some spring onions on my hair, guys. I've got butter and egg on my shirt, and then I've just got spring onions in my ear.
It's like fashion week. What are you wearing? Today I'm wearing spring onion and butter, and there's also stuff in my hair on this other side. Oh, that's so good.
It's so silky.
Actually, that's the best way to describe it. It's a silky, chewy noodle. I think this is gonna be a universal rating. Has to be a double thumbs up, baby. Here's how you can turn rice paper into a crunchy snack.
This flavorful, low-calorie rice paper pop is my favorite go-to snack, and I think you should give it a try. We're gonna go ahead and dip some rice paper in a bowl of cold water, and then fold it in half, and then go ahead and cut this into smaller pieces while it is still firm. It can be intimidating, but it is gonna be worth it. Then go ahead and place these pieces on a wire rack, and we're gonna go ahead and air fry this at 380 Fahrenheit for 7 minutes. Make sure to shake halfway. Also, remember to make a few batches of this because hello, one is not enough, and then dump everything back in the air fryer, spray some butter, and then air fry it for another 2 minutes before tossing it with your favorite seasoning.
We can't mess this one up, right guys? It looked pretty simple. 1 piece of rice paper, dip it in water, fold it, cut them into little squares.
Like bite size?
We just want them to puff up. Please puff up.
You gotta move fast,
I
man.
know, this is softening real quick. Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's soft. We need teamwork, teamwork. You hold it. Maybe don't put that much water, eh? Ah! It's so sticky. It's sticking everywhere. How do you get it not to stick?
Oh no, it's like... yeah.
I didn't understand why she said it was daunting because it looked really easy, but I get it now.
Now we
I
understand.
get it. I understand the difficulty of this.
This is like first-hand experience. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. How to even... I don't know why it's giving me like double-sided tape vibes.
It does look like double-sided tape. Let's pray that this actually puffs up and works.
Can't really see them on camera, kinda-ish.
Just
Double-sided
know
tape.
that they're there, okay guys? Just trust us. There are little squares of rice paper on this air fryer mesh thing. The hardest thing is just getting it off your fingers. This is going in the air fryer for 7 minutes at 190 degrees.
Pray for us.
7 minutes is up. Where did they go? Oh, they're all in one corner.
Find the rice paper. Oh, they're puffed up.
They're puffy.
Ooh.
That's all you get from one rice paper.
ASMR.
She is right. One is not enough. We are making another one. I'm gonna like drop it in. It's like art and crafts in preschool.
Yeah. Bruh.
The problem is you can't touch the air fryer now because it's so hot. So I'm literally just dropping them in, hoping that they'll puff up. Wrapping around my finger.
What in the...
What is this shape? It's gonna be some Frankenstein ones.
7 minutes.
This is the 2 batches we made. This is gonna go back into the air fryer with a little bit of butter for 2 minutes. And then we can season. It looks the same after 2 minutes, but now we can season it with our spices. I just did a random spice mix. We've got garlic powder, paprika, onion powder, a little bit of like a Japanese chili flake, and then salt. Mix that together. That's like
That looks
overkill.
a lot of seasoning, man.
That is overkill. I feel like I'm doing like some fortune teller thing. Pick a puff, pick your fortune. I'm a rice paper puff fortune teller.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Not spicy. No, it's not.
Woo! The texture is there.
It's puffy, it's crunchy. It's not bad.
I actually don't mind this.
It's not bad.
Kind of yummy.
The crunch is very satisfying.
I think it is. I think biting into this pillow, it's satisfying.
Mmm. It's actually growing on me.
Yeah.
It's actually, take this away from me. I'm gonna finish it.
Everyone's going back for thirds, fourth, and like my bowl's almost empty. So I think that's a good sign. Obviously the flavoring, you can just adjust whatever sort of seasoning you want. But I think the rice paper puff is a really good snack idea. The only thing is you gotta do it in batches and it's a bit time consuming. So if you have a really big air fryer, like make a lot. Oh, Lila's
Double.
already,
The baby spoke.
Do double.
baby has spoken. I'm gonna give it a 1.5, 1.5. Just because it's a bit difficult to make, like just the cutting part and the waiting around. But other than that, it's a pretty good snack. Zen?
I'm gonna do double, man. I'm offended you didn't put double.
That's because you didn't have to do all that cutting.
Yeah, just double as well because I didn't go through
Yeah,
the
yeah.
process.
I feel like it's tedious and I just want to eat too much of it. That's the thing. Okay, if it was made for me, double thumbs up. If I have to do it again, 1.5 thumbs.
Okay.
That is it to this recipe video. If you guys want to check out more cooking videos, we have a whole playlist you guys can binge. Also, subscribe to my channel. Help this mama get to 4 million before baby number 2 arrives. Don't forget to thumb this video. We'll speak to you guys next time. Bye. She's too busy eating
wave at the
this
camera.
croissant.
She's in love with the croissant, man.
She likes it.